Hi guys, welcome to another day on the Mazda RX8 channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and for all your support. In 2 months, we managed to get nearly 100 subscribers. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, we have 100 subscribers. So what I would like to do is actually show you guys how to make your Mazda RX8 a little bit more fuel efficient, and most importantly, make sure that it actually starts every time. So since I had some starting issues, my Mazda RX8 actually starts really good each time. So if you guys wanted to see what I did, you could actually look at my past videos. But what I'm actually doing now is I'm actually testing the fuel economy, because believe it or not guys, I went from 14 miles per gallon to 23.2 miles per gallon. So let me show you guys some of the tests I was doing, and currently we just fueled up, and you will know exactly, is this Mazda RX8 fuel efficient? What's the fuel efficiency of it? And once we actually get all the numbers, you guys will find out. So I also plan to replace spark plugs, spark plug wires, air filter, fuel filter, and we will find out if the fuel efficiency gets even better after that. And I plan for an entire video next time to actually take a very long trip, like 400-mile trip, and see if this Mazda RX8 with a 15.9 fuel tank can actually go 400 miles. So that will actually be really interesting for me to see. Hey guys, my Mazda RX8 is currently showing 23.2 miles per gallon for the past 139 miles per gallon. I want to drive this car till the tank gets nearly empty, and I'm gonna fuel up again, and then I'm gonna take the tachometer gauge and I'm gonna divide the miles into how many gallons I actually end up getting to see the true number of the fuel economy. To test this unit, see if it's accurate enough. Enjoy the video guys. Guys, I am fueling up. I actually just pre-mixed 8 ounces of premix that I'm using by Lucas, and there it is. I'm getting some 93 octane. So currently the car is actually idling while I'm actually fueling up, so my fuel cap is open. So if I do get a code for that, that's definitely going to be the issue. So the cool thing is, with this diagnostic reader I have here, which is also a tuner, I could simply go here, view codes. If I have any codes, I could just simply clear them, which would be like right here, codes cleared. Simple as that. I filled up 11.419 gallons. My current mileage is 129,282. I'm going to need to calculate my fuel economy and let you guys know exactly what it's doing. So it's showing me that I'm doing 22.8 miles per gallon. My fuel gauge is a little bit less than a quarter. So guys, let's see what my fuel economy really is. So at the moment of fueling up, I have 262 miles that I've actually drove. So fueling up some premium, $3.20. It's pumping. So it looks like I got 12 gallons, $7.89. So guys, in conclusion, I just done the math for the miles per gallon that I'm actually getting. At least for this fuel up, it is 20.5 miles per gallon, which is not bad for a Mazda RX8. How many Mazda RX8s do you know that are doing anywhere close to 20? As a matter of fact guys, when I bought this Mazda RX8, it was only getting 14 miles per gallon at best, and I actually seen it get a little bit worse. And I believe part of the reason was, first of all, it could not breathe right because the catalytic converter was stuffed up, so it was kind of really clogged. So it had that issue. And another one, which is a really big one, it has to do with solenoids. Well, one of them was bad, and I had some vacuum leaks, so my car was not working at its tip-top performance. At the time when I actually made the video, when I was showing the premix video, my solenoid valve was actually messed up at that point. So that same day I actually took care of that problem, and right away I noticed a big increase in miles per gallon. Of course, I took care of the solenoid valve, and at the same time I put a mid pipe in, and that really helped. And now, of course, I have added new ignition coils, new spark plugs. I just bought some wires. They're not installed yet, but you could already see there's some good changes there. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and see you guys in my next video.